Gusto mo bang makamura sa bibilin mong bahay? Here's one way to do it. If lower price ang priority, the earlier you buy, the better. In fact, a property is at its lowest price upon its launching or introduction. Kaya nga kahit hinuhukay pa lang yung drainage system, ginagawa pa lang yung kalsada, i-reserve mo na agad if you want to get the lowest price. Minsan nga may special promos and freebies pa sa developer to a certain number of buyers na magre-reserve ng isang bagong project upon its launching. Pero teka, hindi ba risky yun? Well, may risk involved talaga. And this is the key reason kaya mo makuha ng mas mura ang isang property. The developer is giving you a discount for waiting and for taking a risk on buying a property na itatayo pa lang. May iba pang benefits ang pagbili ng pre-selling projects. Discuss natin yan on future videos. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow.